Namaste, I, JVN Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is cod liver oil in the unit 5th of Pharmacognosy, semester 4, B.Pharma. So what is the synonym of the cod liver oil? It's Oleum moorkii. For a biological source, it is processed from the fresh liver of cod fish, Gadus mohoria, and other species Gadus. Family is Gadidae. What is the geographical source of cod liver oil? Indigenous to the Africa. Large quantity of oil congestement are prepared in the coastal region of Norway, Scotland, Ireland, Iceland, Germany, Denmark and Britain. What is the method of preparation of the cod liver oil? The fishes are caught in the net. Then open this net after the catching of the fish. Livers are separated. Healthy liver from the healthy liver free from the gallbladders. Then wash that liver. Mincing is done. Then steaming is done. The steaming of the oil destroy all the enzyme lipase. Steaming in steam jacket vessels or cars at a temperature not exceeding 85 degrees Celsius, half an hour. Then cooling is done. Special barrels for the cooling process, which result in separation of the stearin. Buried in snow of the several days, filtration, storage is occur. Kept in the well-closed container or airtight container in cool place, protected from the light. 5 major steps is involved in refining of the medicinal cod liver oil are removal of the impurities, drying is done after the removal of impurities, then winterization, deodorization, standardization of the vitamin content. This is the process of method of preparation of the cod liver oil. Then what is the description? Pale yellow thin liquid with the slightly fishy taste and odor, becoming disagreeable and exposure to the air and light. Solubility, it is freely soluble in chloroform, ether, carbon sulfide, petroleum ether, and slightly soluble in alcohol. Standard specific gravity is 0.9182 to 0.927. Refractive index 1.4705 to 1.4745. Acid value is less than 2. Saponification value is 180 to 190. Iodine value is 1845 to 180. Chemical constituent is the medicinal value of oil is due to the vitamin A, vitamin D group. About 1 gram of the oil contains not less than 255 mcg of the vitamin A and 2.125 mcg of the vitamin D. The oil contains glycerine, ester of oleic, linoleic, gadolinic, mastric, palmitic and other acids. Cod liver oil is contains 7% of illoscopantanoic acid and 7% of docosahexaenoic acid. Both of them are omega-3 fatty acid. Uses the oil is used as a source of vitamins, as a nutritive and in treatment of the rickets and TB. As the result of the composition of the vitamin concentrates, the consumption of the medicinal oil has substantially decreased in the development countries of the Europe and USA. The renewed interest of the fish liver oil, particularly cod liver oil, resulting from the nutritional requirement for the unsaturated in diet coupled with the blood cholesterol reducing property of the oil has opened a new chapter in its trade in recent years. New non-designated cod liver oil is entire oil that has not been chilled so as to separate the stearin. The oil contains not more than 0.5% by the volume of water and liver tissue, and it deposits stearin up to the chilling, right? So, how to store that in order to avoid the loss of vitamins? During the storage, the oil should be kept in the well-filled air-tight container, protected from the light, and it is cool place. The addition of the small quantity of the certain antioxidants, example dodenyl gallate, it permitted it may be bottled in container from which air has been expelled by the production of vacuum or by inert gas like nitrogen, right? The next topic is the hydrocarbons oil. Hydrocarbons oil. Synonym of hydrocarbons oil is gynocardia oil and Kaugalmogara oil. Biological source of hydrocarbons oil is the fixed obtained by the cold expression method from the fresh ripe seed of the plant. Hydrocarpus whitleria, Hydrocarpus anthellatic feri, Hydrocarpus hydrophylla. Because other species of the Hydrocarpus family is Flora urticaria. Geographical source of hydrocarbons oil is Chalmurga plant is the native of the Myanmar, Thailand, East India. It is also found in the Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. In India, it is grown in Assam and Tripura region. Method of preparation: Chalmurga seed contain 40 to 45% of the fixed oil. Then seed is collected, cleaned, washed and dried, cracked and deodoratically by the machine to remove the testa, gradient the kernel. The kernel are reduced to the paste. Oil is expressed, filtered and stored in an airtight container. This description: yellow to brownish yellow color liquid. Order characteristic order is there. Taste somewhat acrid. Taste solubility slightly soluble in alcohol, soluble in chloroform, ether, benzene and carbon disulfide. It is soft white solid below 25 degrees Celsius. Standardizations is like weight per ml is 0.935 to 0.960 gram. Acrid value not more than 20 or 10. Saponification value is 195 to 213. Iodine value 93 to 104. Specific rotation not less than positive 48 J, not more than positive 60 J. Refractive index is 1.472 to 1.476 is the refractive index. Chemical constituent it contains chemically esters of the unsaturated fatty acids of margaric acid 27% and hydrocarbonic acid is 48%. Glyceride of the palmitic acid uses the unsaturated fatty acid of the Kalmurga oil is possessed strong bactericidal effect against the Mycobacterium leprae and Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is used in the treatment of TB, leprosy, psoriasis, rheumatism. It is intended only for external use. Storage: It is stored in a closed container away from the light and in cool place. Substitution: the plant is substituted in India by the Hydrocarpus weightlessness, found abundantly in the West Bengal, Kerala, Western Ghats, and also by the Hydrocarpus alpine, occurring in the Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Doses 0.3 to 1 per ml by the intramuscular or subcutaneous injections. Kokum butter, synonyms: goa, goa butter, kokum oil, mangosteen oil. Biological sources: it is fat expressed from the seed of the Garnica indica, Phaeos, belonging to the family Gutferi. Geographical source: the tree is indigenous to Thailand, Cambodia, China. It is also found in the India. It is widely grown in the Kokam, Western Ghats, Kugar district, Nilgiris Hills. It is cultivated in Maharashtra and in Malaris. In 1200 hectares of land is under cultivated in India, proceeding 10,500 tons of the drug annum. Method of preparation: seed kernels taken, boiling and churning of the in the water. Then after that, separation of the melted fat by the skimming. Wash with the hot water twice. Decolorize with animal charcoal of the fuller earth. Color is the light grey and yellowish in color. Odor is slight and characteristic odor are there. Taste is characteristic taste. The fat is slightly bitter. Shape: it is the marketed in the form of egg-shaped lumps. Standard weight per ml: 0.895 to 0.899 gram. Melting point: 39 to 42 degrees Celsius. Acid value not more than 3. Saponification value is 185 to 190. Iodine value is 35 to 37. Refractive index is 1.46565 to 1.4575. Unsaponifiable matter is 2 to 3%. Chemical constituent: kokum butter contains glyceride of stearic 55%, oleic is 40%, hydroxycarboic acid is 10%, palmitic is 2.5%, and linoleic acid is 1.5%. Uses: it is used in the nutritive, demulcent, astringent, and emollient. Locally, it is used in the fissure of the lip and the hand. It is used in the preparation of the ointment and suppository. The dried rind of the fruit is called the amsule and used as a substitute for the tamarind. Cakes of the cake left after the extraction of the oil is a manure and is employed in the sizing of the cotton yarn. So that is all about our today's topic. What is lipids and what are the cocoa butter, right? So what is the BUX? We have already learned. Different type of lipids are there. Cocoa butter we have learned, and shea butter are there. How the cultivation, and cod liver oil we have learned. What is the method of the cod liver oil? It's important. Solubility standard value is important. How to store the cod liver oil. Then the hydrocarpus oil. How the hydrocarpus oil is prepared. Descriptions, chemical constituents, cocoa butter. This is important of this topic. Important topics. So thank you so much. Namaste. If you have any query, just comment below.